In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install your trainer in Assassin's Creed 2. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down, select the manual download option and select slow download option. It will start downloading. Once download done, select the folder icon and right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the trainer exe and select yes option. Okay, open the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Click on OK. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna turn on this fast movement speed. Then get back to the game. Normal, it's way more faster than normal. That's how you can install a trainer for Assassin's Creed 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.